Hey friends, welcome to our channel Learn with Josh. So today we are going to discuss about important short questions and answers on David Copperfield by Charles Dickens. So let's start. Question number 1. What is the main theme of David Copperfield? Answer. Throughout David Copperfield, the powerful abuse the weak and helpless. Dickens focuses on orphans, women, and the mentally disabled to show that exploitation, not pity or compassion, is the rule in an industrial society. Number 2. Describe a short summary of David Copperfield. Answer. David Copperfield is the story of a boy who escapes his abusive stepfather to find a haven with his aunt Bessie. She sends him to school and he falls in love with Agnes Wickfield, apprentice as a lawyer, and then falls in love with and marries Dora. Number 3. What is the moral lesson of David Copperfield by Charles Dickens? Answer. The moral lesson that David Copperfield could be said to impart is that kindness, sympathy, and generosity are more important and perhaps more desirable than wealth, power, and social position. Number 4. Who appears to lose all of Miss Betsy's money? Answer. Wickfield, her business manager, who has wasted and misused all of her money and left her poor. For his own sake and for the sake of his daughter Agnes, she wants to save the name of Mr. Wickfield. Number 5. What kind of person is David Copperfield? Answer. The protagonist and narrator of the novel, David is innocent, trusting, and naive even though he suffers abuse as a child. He is idealistic and impulsive and remains honest and loving. Number 6. Which career does Miss Betsy recommended for David? Answer. Miss Betsy is David Copperfield's great aunt. She takes David into her home when he runs away from his evil stepfather's factory. She also educates David at a good school and then pays for his articles, basically an internship, at a law office in the legal district of London. Number 7. What role does Uriah Heep play in the novel? Answer. Uriah Heep plays the novel's villain and serves as a warning to the readers. He is the quintessential slimy social climber who fakes humbleness and humility while going behind people's backs in attempts to boost his own status and demean others. Number 8. What significance do the sea references have in the novel? Answer. The sea has a mystical role from the beginning of the novel, when David is born with a caul which supposedly protects people from death by drowning. It is vast and unpredictable, both beneficial and deadly, for while people like the Pigots earn a living from the ocean, it also has the power to take away lives, including the fathers of Ham and Emily. It takes Steerforth's life, and when Ham tries to intervene, it takes Ham's life as well. Number 9. What significance does David's marriage to Dora have in the novel? Answer. David's marriage to Dora reveals the theme of the undisciplined heart. David knows even before he has married her that she is not mature and cannot handle household duties. Nevertheless, he lets his passion dictate his actions. The marriage cannot last, not least because Dora is used to having her freedom.